titties, booty bounce.
Damn, mommy. I said that like that.
Make it like that.
Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So we're about to go shopping and I need to hurry up, so that's what I'm doing. I'm looking at myself through the mirror like, am I good? Am I good? I hate my fat. So we're about to go shopping. I need my wallet. My freaking room is trashed. So when we get back, we need to, when we get back, we need to fix that. Okay, so let me hurry up a little bit. Let's go. Don't you hate when you're all ready and you have to pee? My God, bro. Ooh, pretty outfit here. I need to get my nails done. Look at it. I just put clear nails on it. And I have still lotion on my foot. Oh my gosh. Okay. The lighting is, oh man, I forgot my glasses, bro. Bye, Snow. Bye. She does not care. But, yeah. I'm getting this kind of my phone is slowly dying. There is a lot of people today. Hey, guys, look at this Christmas stuff. Hold on. I'll show you. I love Christmas. I love that they're putting Christmas stuff out. Damn. I know, everything's cool. Okay, there was just a little bit way too much people here today. Like, I don't even know what it was. I'm in Walmart shopping. I'm getting some cat treats right now. And I'm like shopping with a hungry belly. So I'm like getting brownies and all this other stuff. But I also got juice. I got juice and other stuff. I don't need anything here. I know I look sweaty right now, but I basically came in the car and then now they're waiting for like pill subscriptions and stuff, whatever. But I got me some yogurt. I'm about to eat it up because it's about to get warm and I don't want it to get warm. So that's what I'm using. This is the top lid. It works actually. You scoop it up. Girl, shoot, got your own little spoon. It's really hot. I really should go back inside since they're just like waiting, or maybe sit in those bench over there. I don't know. Back home, and this is what I got. I got pineapple slices for like $1. Walmart. Just got a cat, but I have wet food. Temptations for cats. I got this apple pie. It was only like 50 cents. So I was like, why not? Then at the dollar store, I don't know why they gave me this bag, but I just got chopstick and this nice color. I just walked by and I was like, wow, it just popped. So I might put on my foot and my nails. So yeah, and that's pretty much what I got. I'm about to feed these cats some wet food because they're already here and I guess they heard me. Already coming. So I literally just devoured my dinner. I just ate that. And I'm gonna try out this pumpkin pie. It's small. It's just a little tiny mini pie found at Walmart. I don't know what just happened there. But yeah. So I'm gonna try and eat, and then, whoa, did you guys see that sun coming? Like, thanks, Zoe. Watch, guys. She don't come up here. So I'm about to paint my nails this color. My toenails. See how it goes. If I don't like it, I can always put the white nail polish I have over there. So yeah. So do you guys think these nails are cute? I feel like they are too bold for me. But I might go with the white. I don't know. So it's been some time now. My nails grew on me. I feel like I like them now. But I'm about to clean up this place. I still have my stuff that I bought. And I still have like trash on the floor, everything. I'll have to bag that up. And then I'll just come back. And I need to take a shower. And then I want to watch a movie. And then I want to eat my pineapples. But I don't know. Because I want cereal too. It's a weird, but these pineapples, I can eat them later and they're in a can. It doesn't matter. But this was going on. Now close to midnight. Like, I'm tired. Well, not tired. I'm watching a movie right now and like my other screen. But I'm basically going to wake up for church tomorrow and then probably make my brownies that I brought today tomorrow. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to vlog it. Also, I'm just gonna end this vlog. So I hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys, I don't know, I'm just trying to do vlogs and stuff so I can post more often. So anyways, hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.